records reveal it was Sandy.
I was in the 7th grade. I just remember I come over to school and I asked my dad, like,
The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a tornado warning for southern Brooks County and Deep South Texas, eastern Jim-Hog County and Deep South Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a tornado on radar over southeastern Jim-Hog County, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Rachel. Take cover now on the lowest floor of your home or business in an interior room or closet. Do not wait until you can see or hear the tornado. Put as many walls between yourself and this storm as possible. Trailer homes are easily destroyed by tornadoes and should be abandoned immediately for stronger shelter. If traveling, find sturdy shelter immediately or pull over and get below the dashboard if debris is sighted. Please report tornadoes or final clouds, winds of 58 miles per hour or higher, hail the size of pennies or larger, and any wind damage to your National Weather Service in Brownsville by calling 956-504-1432.
For so long. Where Sandy's thing they missed earlier about Sandy, was it ever